What is up, YouTube? It is a beautiful December day down here in the desert. I think I'm going to be taking my Luna X2 for a ride. Had it on the trails a couple of times, but I haven't really taken it on a long ride yet, so I think I'm going to try to cruise over to my little brother's house. I have no idea how far it is, probably 10, maybe 15 miles there. I don't know. Let's take the bike and we'll find out. All right, I made it to the trail that I'm going to be taking most of the way to my brother's house. It kind of runs along this wash right here, but it does dead end. The town hasn't connected this part of the trail up to the trail by my brother's house quite yet. So when it dead ends, we'll have to get a little bit creative, see if there's a way to find the other end of the trail. But yeah, should be exciting. Let's keep going. Okay, 4.5 miles into the ride. Been following this little river right here. We hit this fence, which I kind of knew was coming, but I also know that I can go down here and go around it. There are no trespassing signs. I think they just kind of want to keep people away from this factory over here. I think it's like a cement factory or something like that, asphalt factory. The road that I need to get to is just right at the base of these mountains. That's Aber Valley Road out there. I don't know if you can see the cars driving on it, but it's not too much further, maybe another mile or something. And then I'm pretty sure on the other side of that road, there's another bike path. So we're gonna go try to hit that. All right, this ride might be a bust. I cannot seem to find a way around this cement factory. There's a road there, which I think would lead me out, but it's like flooded and looks like really soft mud, so I don't want to go down there and get all stuck. That is a very deep quarry. So yeah, I might have to head back. That kind of sucks. I thought I'd be able to find a way around this stuff. Okay, maybe I'm not giving up that quick. So I'm back on this path above the creek here. I did have to hop over a fence. But again, there was no trespassing signs. I think they're just trying to keep people away from that area. It's not really fenced in all that good. So I think I'm outside of their property now. So yeah, let's see if I can keep going. Dang it! Another freaking fence. So this little bridge thing that goes clear up into the main part of their factory, that's actually a conveyor belt inside there. I don't know if you can hear it running, but there's a conveyor belt that stretches like clear on the other side of these mountains where they have some other quarries, and they use this thing to transport all their dirt, whatever the hell they're pulling out of the ground, back over here. But it looks like because that thing is here, they put up a whole bunch of fences to block me from going near it. So crap, I may not be able to get past this. The only way it might be to go like back and go clear out around it, all the way over that way, and then follow like the frontage road. That's Interstate 10 out there, right there. Dang, I'm gonna look around. Looks like there's some gates down here, but they're all locked. I think that's maybe for keeping cattle out of here or something. That's what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna explore a little bit, see if I can't find a way around this. Otherwise, might be a bust. All right, check this out. This building got freaking taken out by a semi-truck. Crazy, right? Just plowed right on through. Whoops. All right, I made it. So this bike path goes all the way down to my brother's house. Still several miles, I don't know how far it is. But yeah, it kind of sucks that cement factory really screwed things up. You can see it right there, I'm on the other side of it now. But dang, I had to drive like, I don't know, another couple miles back and then go down the frontage road and then follow Aber Valley Road over here just to get to the trailhead. So it kind of sucks. I thought there'd be a better way to meet up with this trail, but I guess not. Let's talk about the Luna. So this bike is doing great. Super fun to ride, obviously. I'll do a better ride comparison video later on. But it's doing good so far. I'm at 10.5 miles. I've used 20% of the battery since I left my house. And yeah, it's just rocking on. I've been in pedal assist number 2. That's 2 out of 5 the entire time. And yeah, it's doing awesome. All right, made it to where my brother's house is. He lives down kind of off this path. 14 miles, so pretty cool ride. Don't really like riding next to the streets, so it kind of sucks that there's no pathway to get here. But it's all good. 14 miles back. Still got, looks like I'm at like 70% battery, so I should be all right getting back. Let's see. Check it out, throttle only or thumb throttle only, and I'm going like 23 miles an hour. Holy crap! Woo! Brakes. This is not a bad trail at all.